See, she don't fuck with you cause she don't fuck with bitch niggas, and you know it ain't a hidden love.
Skinny ass bitch there. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy LV Skinny.
I already know it's your boy Young 2 Liter in this bitch.
Yeah. And today we is here to check out Key Glock. Dig that. I've not heard of Key Glock before. He put me on to him.
I fucks with this nigga,
yeah,
bro.
And he gonna be in Roanoke, Virginia for us. I think the 23rd of next month.
September.
Yeah, at the Q. So yeah, shout out to him for showing love to our city. So definitely we gotta show love back to him. You know what I'm saying?
And he hot. This nigga hot.
I ain't never.
He hot. The beat hot. You feel me? Pulling up at him. Oh, this shit hot, nigga. He said, fuck that shit, nigga. Let me hop out the dock, nigga. You feel me?
Last freaking time, freaking drop the top outside no endo. Ride presidential S600 like a limo. Nigga use a limo. I pull up new whip like Django. I been like cap, nigga. I ain't talking Kango. I'm on that gang shit. Ain't no lame shit. Got some niggas don't gang bang, they just bang shit. This little bitch say she like how my chain hit. Man, I really think this bitch wanna let me hit. Call me Papa Glock, I got the dough. You dig that? I'm a trap nigga, you ain't know. You dig that? Man, I dress his 5 bands head to toe. You dig that? Bitch don't like rabbits cause he carries something. You dig that? He's taking lobster, ain't no more baloney. You feel me? Can't fuck that bitch, got hard. I'm on me. You dig that? You run up on me, nigga, you's a goner. You dig that? You do the same thing when I see your homies. You dig that? You can call me Glock the Builder, nigga. No, I keep it too. I sip on Lino, baby, keep Glock on her boo. Ooh, I gauge her no. I skip it to my loot. My niggas eat those shoes. Little nigga ball a Caillou. Glock, you the shit, bitch. That ain't nothing new. Hey, everybody call me crazy cause I'm a permanent diamond too. Stacking my chip like Lay's, nigga. I do what I wanna do. Bitch, I name it Q. Hold on, but I got the juice. I'm wearing my yellow shoes and my grandma say they boots. Gucci's like I'm bold and my uncle say I look smooth. I know you got the news. Look like I got your bitch nude. I'm giving nigga the blues. I'm carrying naughty blues.
Yeah, this nigga's so hard.
I'm a trap nigga, you ain't know.
You did that.
When I dress his 5 bands head to toe. You did that. Bitch don't like rapping cause he carries something. You did that.
Second lobster ain't no more baloney.
You did that.
Can't cuff that bitch, got Ferragamo on me.
You did that.
You run up on me, nigga, you's a goner. You did that. And it's the same thing
When I see you, homie, you did that. Ooh, 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 ooh. That flu killing, nigga. That flu is killing, nigga.
Damn. Yo, keep Glock hot.
You feel me?
Keep Glock hot.
I try to tell you, cuz.
Keep Glock hot.
That nigga high.
Shout out to Key Glock. Fucking Paper Route Empire. He with Dolph.
Yeah.
So like he Dolph signed him?
He is new. He the newest artist, basically, of the PR. You feel me?
That's hot.
Nigga,
yeah.
he got a little mixtape, Glock Season. Go check that shit out. That shit busting.
I didn't even know he had a mixtape. I gotta check that shit out.
It just came out, nigga. That shit busting. Go check that shit.
Damn, yeah, go check that artist named Key Glock, and he gonna be in our home city next month. So definitely shout out to him. Song name was Dig That. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that. Till next time, YouTube.
We out this bitch.
5 minute, man, I'm in your bitch and then I'm out, gone. All I need is 5 minutes in or out her mouth. If she talking crazy, nigga, I just kick her out. This a one where I'm bout, bet I knock her pussy out.